My name is Steven Taroni and I'm the marketing director for BioTech Spray Solutions. And today I just want to tell you a little bit about the equipment that we use to keep your environment safe. So this is an electrostatic sprayer, and it may look like something from futuristic Star Wars, but actually what it does is it positively charges the solution inside of the device. It has a nice spread where the particles are not attracted to each other. So not only do you get a nice wide spread, but it also has a wrapping effect to it as well. It can get to those hard to reach places. It's not gonna soak or saturate an area, and so you don't have to worry about getting your computer ruined or any kind of important piece of equipment wrecked. We actually have 3 units. So we have the small handheld unit, and then we also have, for larger areas, we have the backpack unit. One of these will do about 30,000 square foot of surfaces. And then we also have a fogger as well that's not displayed here. If you'd like to learn more about BioTech Spray Solutions, or you'd like us to come out and give your office or business a quote, give us a call at our office. You can reach us at 904-610-9955. Again, it's 904-610-9955.